Want to make this type of number collage frame? Follow the full video. Let's start it. First, go to the Text tab and choose a text size.
Enter any number you want. I'm using 5 in text font.
Now change the font style to League Spartan. Increase the font size of the number and center it perfectly.
Go to the Elements tab and click on the Shape section. Then, select the line.
Now, change the line color from black to white.
Split it into multiple parts. Rotate it 90 degrees. Go to the Share tab and download your image. After downloading the image, open Photopea, the online photo editor. Now, drag and drop your downloaded image.
First, go to Magic Wand and click the first path. Then, right-click and select Layer via Copy.
Then go to Layer 1, right-click on it, and select Select Pixels. Now go to the Path option and click here. Now go to the Layer tab, click on Vector Mask, and select Current Path. Now repeat the same steps for all the remaining paths one by one. Now go to the File tab, click on Export As, and select PDF format. Now go to the Canva tab, click on the Upload option, and drag and drop the downloaded PDF file. Now create a new page. Upload the design to the new page. Go to the Elements tab and search for Man Pics. Upload the images and arrange them in the frame however you like. Here are the final result.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.